So hey people, this is me Parth and you are watching Art with Parth. So today I am going to show you the 8 techniques of using color pencils. So here's a pro tip. Don't use a pencil like this, but instead use a color pencil like this. So our first technique is hatching. In hatching we use lines to shade. Our second technique is cross hatching. In cross hatching, we first use the method of hatching. So after doing the method of hatching, we will use lines in the other direction to create a cross. After cross hatching, next is our heavy pressure. In heavy pressure, we apply a huge force to shade. So next is our light pressure. In light pressure, we use a very little amount of pressure to shade. So these all four are the basic techniques of shading, and these four below are the advanced techniques of shading. So first is our layering. In layering, we will use blue color to apply one. So after applying the blue layer, we will apply this pink color on the blue layer. So as you can see here, we have got a purplish color. So this is only called layering, and layering is usually used to obtain a new shade of the color. Next is our burnishing. In burnishing, we will first apply the method of layering. So after doing the layering method, we will use heavy pressure method of the last shade to it. So as you can see here, in the burnishing, we have got a smooth effect in the color, and we cannot apply any more shade on that. So next is our gradient. So gradient, we will apply all the colors by blending them together. So after doing gradient, next is our white blending. In white blending, we use white color in the opposite direction, and white blending is also known as white gradient. white color in the opposite direction. So this is white blending, and these are all the 8 techniques that you can use to make your color pencil drawings better. So if you like our video, please subscribe and like the video. So till then, take care and goodbye.